Ever posted a TikTok and instantly regretted a mistake? Don't panic, I'll show you how to fix it. First, open TikTok and tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now, find the video you want to edit and tap on it. Once the video is playing, look for the three dots, or ellipsis icon, on the right side of your screen. Tap it. A menu will appear with a bunch of options. Scroll through them. You might need to swipe to the left until you find Edit Post and tap on it. It looks like a pencil icon next to the wordings. This takes you to the edit screen. Here, you can change the caption, add or remove hashtags, and even change the cover image. To fix a typo or change your caption, simply tap on the caption field. The keyboard will pop up and you can edit the text as needed. Remember to be clear and engaging. Want to change the video's thumbnail? Tap the cover option to select a new frame from your video. Just drag the white box to select a frame. Select a catchy visual and tap Save at the top right. Once you've made all your changes, scroll down and tap the Save button. This will update your video with the new information. And that's it. Your video is now updated with the changes you made. Now you can post mistake-free contents on TikTok. So go ahead and fix those mistakes, update your captions, and make your TikToks even better. Thanks for watching.